Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firefox extensions and privacy settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Firefox extensions, first, open your Firefox browser. Navigate to the Firefox add-ons website by typing addons.mozilla.org in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see various categories and featured extensions. Use the search bar at the top right to find a specific extension you want to install. Click on the extension you wish to install to open its details page. On the extensions page, click the green Add to Firefox button. A pop-up will appear requesting permission for the extension. Review the permissions carefully to understand what access the extension requires. If you agree, click the Add button in the pop-up. The extension will download and install automatically. Once installed, you'll see a confirmation message. To manage your extensions, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of Firefox. Select Add-ons from the drop-down menu. This will open the Add-ons Manager, where you can see all your installed extensions. From here, you can enable, disable, or remove extensions as needed. Now, let's move on to adjusting your privacy settings. Click the three horizontal lines again and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, select the Privacy and Security panel on the left side. You will find various options to manage your privacy settings. Under the Enhanced Tracking Protection section, choose your preferred level of protection. You can select Standard, Strict, or Custom for more control over trackers. Scroll down to the Permissions section to review other privacy settings. You can manage location access, camera, and microphone permissions here. If you want to clear your browsing history regularly, find the Cookies and Site Data section. Click Clear Data to remove cookies and cached web content as needed. Lastly, consider enabling the Send Websites a Do Not Track signal. This lets websites know you prefer not to be tracked for advertising purposes. After making adjustments, remember to close the Settings tab. Your Firefox browser is now equipped with the extensions you want and enhanced privacy settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.